Hi there. Have you ever wondered what happens to the data that you collect in Google Forms? Well, today I'm going to show you some cool things that you can do with your data. I'm going to click here on this bullying survey. If I'm not mistaken, I used this bullying survey when we were talking about digital citizenship with our upper grade students last year, and just helping them know that you can be bullied on online as well. So here I see I have 56 responses. I'm going to click on my responses. And in my data, I see I can look at it as a summary. I can look at it by question. I can look at it by individual. But I'm going to go back to my summary. And I'm going to click right here and say view response in sheets. Okay, so it's made a sheet for me. And now I want to highlight here. I'm just going to make a chart for this first question. Have you ever been bullied? And so I'm going to highlight my responses. Okay, one more. Yep, there we go. One more. And now I'm going to, while it's highlighted, I'm going to click right here and click on the word insert and watch. I want to insert a chart. And ta-da, this is the count of how many people have ever been bullied. I see I've had 46% say no and 53 say yes. But that's not the coolest part. This is the coolest part. I can click right here and I can say move to its own sheet. Watch this. So it's moved to its own sheet here in, let me hide this. It's moved to its own sheet here in my Google Sheet. So see, here's my chart here. Then I go back over here. I can see my data. So I can keep adding charts. I can keep highlighting and making that into different types of charts. That's what I want to show you, that you can use that data to show, you can make charts and then make wonderful presentations. That's all I want to show you. Hope this tool has been helpful.